Hey friends, I'm Heather Pace and today I'm sharing my recipe for 3 seed crackers which are really light, crispy, and delicious. They're only 6 ingredients, they're easy to make, and they are vegan, gluten-free, paleo, and low carb as well, making them a really great option for crackers. Okay, let's hop into the kitchen and get to work because I want to get my snack on. And here are my ingredients. I'm starting with a base of blanched almond flour. This is going to add great texture, flavor, and crispiness. Water, salt, ground yellow flaxseed. You could use brown, but I prefer yellow because it's more mild in flavor and it will add to a light color for the cracker. Some sesame seeds, coconut flour, and hemp seeds. So the 3 seeds are the hemp, sesame, and flax. I'm going to start by adding all my dry ingredients into a bowl here. And I'm going to whisk it all together. Make sure to get out any little lumps in there. And now I'm going to add in my water. Add it in. I am stirring it all together. Okay, so give the dough a feel. It should be slightly sticky, not too sticky, but not dry either. It should be quite pliable, just like this, and not too wet. So I feel like this is just right. So 2 tablespoons doesn't seem like much, but it does the trick. And now we are ready to roll. So now I need 2 pieces of parchment paper. You're just gonna place the dough on top of 1 piece of parchment. Place the other one on top and grab your rolling pin, and we are going to roll it nice and thin. Turning the parchment as you go, just like that. And hey, you could even use a wine bottle. And if you don't have parchment paper, you can use plastic wrap or a Silpat. So just check it from time to time, see how it looks. You want to make them quite thin, like about an eighth of an inch thick. You want to roll out from the middle to make sure that the middle isn't thick and the ends are thin. So roll out from the center to make sure that they're even. Okay, let's take a peek. Dun, da, da, da. Looking pretty good. Looking a little thin on the outsides here. I'm just gonna roll this in. But yes, looking really good at this point. And so now you want to score the crackers. So you can either use a paring knife or you can use a bench scraper. And you are just going to score them into shapes and sizes that you would like. Go like that. So you don't have to go all the way through, but you can if you want. Just gonna turn. And score. So I've got my baking tray here, and I'm simply just going to slide the whole sheet right on top, and now it is ready for the oven. Let's pop them in the oven. Okay, here's what they look like after 15 minutes, and you can see they're more brown along the outside. So what I'm going to do is take these brown bits and set them aside and then continue baking just for a few minutes for the center part. So this is going back into the oven, and here are the brown ones that I set aside. They look perfect. They are, can you hear the snap? Already. Snap. They are crispy, and voila, they are done. So just simply break them apart with your fingers. That is why we scored them. Let them cool, and then store them in a container at room temperature. I've just made another batch, but with pumpkin seeds instead of hemp seeds, and then I sprinkled extra sesame seeds on top and some extra salt on there. So that is another option as well. And they're a little bit harder to score just because of the pumpkin seeds, but yeah, that's okay. And here we have it, homemade crackers and my green dip. Have you guys tried this recipe? It is a staple around here. I love it so much. It's in an earlier video and I will link to it below. But yeah, let's get in here with a cracker going in. Can you see? Oh yes. Mmm. Can you hear the crunch? It is super crispy crunchy, really delicious. I hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.